Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you my MAC lipstick collection. I have 22 here that I swatched. I also have the red lipstick collection. I will give the link down below. I filmed that before and I have compared it with my NYX lipstick. But this MAC lipstick shades are my go-to. This is perfect for a light to medium skin tone. I am an NC30 with MAC during spring, summer, and then maybe an NC25 during winter, fall. And these are my OGs, and a lot of them are also in my kit because I love to mix the colors together. So when you see my swatches and you're like, oh, that looks a tad bit light for her, that's like too dark for her, remember that you can mix these lipsticks together and then you can have a perfect shade suitable for your skin tone. I'm so excited for you guys to see my swatches, so here it is. And that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope that you found something that you like, and I hope that you find something to add to your MAC lipstick collection. Comment down below what your favorite MAC lipstick shade is. I'm curious to know. I'm also thinking of filming my favorite MAC lipstick combination, like my favorite lip pencil with my MAC lipstick, or my favorite two shades to mix together to form what suits my complexion. If you want to see that kind of video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on my next one. Bye!